Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got done doing a gutter cleaning on one of our previous clients. As you can see, we put in our nice little gutter screens here, and they were full of debris under them. But the benefit of these screens is that I can actually use a special power washer attachment to clean under there. We don't have to remove the screen, so really nice. We got all those cleaned out. And homeowner just got some trees cut here, and as a result of that tree, it was leaving a lot of moss. So I went ahead and did a free roof cleaning treatment here. This is going to turn yellow and white here momentarily. And on the corner here, we can also see an area where we put a little bit of our cleaner. You can actually kind of see the difference immediately, how it makes the shingles cleaner. So that's just one of the things that we do here at Multi-Man Services. A few reminders about roof maintenance. This is an exposed nail. We're going to want to get that sealed up. And also, you know, your shingles are getting pretty tired and old, brittle. So we'd encourage a conditioning treatment from Roof Max. We are an authorized dealer in the area. If you'd like that service, we'd be glad to do a roof cleaning for you and get the roof conditioned, do a roof tune-up, get all this nasty blackness out of here. So thanks for watching this video. If you live in the Rockford, Lake Geneva, Madison area, and you are in need of any gutter cleaning, low pressure soft washing, roof cleaning, we're here for you. Give us a call. We'll take good care of you. Thank you.